How about the business owners? How about kung ito ay isang corporation wherein there are several shareholders, hence may maraming decision makers dito, no? And usually pag tinatawag natin silang decision makers of a business, active sila in the business, no? Probably in different departments, but they're active members in the business. Ako ang paniniwala ko, sila rin, dahil active sila, I'm pretty sure sumasweldo rin sila, no? Kailangan din nila or kailangan din silang isama sa retirement savings program. Tama ba,
Yeah,
Moy?
that's correct. Definitely, definitely. And when you read up on RA 7641, actually wala naman siyang exemption doon na na parang kunwari you only select certain people na you believe will be huge contributors to the company. So it really covers all of your employees.